Bafethu, ngisayiniplage futhi bafethu, khona i-training center okuthiwa i-Abethu Skills Development. Nansi lana i-Facebook page yakhona. Guys, le college lena, the training center is stacked. Stacked ifana, they have everything. Njengoba nibona nje kule video lena. Batrain abantu for i-lento i-fitting and turning, basic carpentry, ukwakha omatafula nani nani. Bricklaying, obvious ukwakha izindlu. Ukufaka ugesi, plumbing, ukushisela, welding, abo-TIG welding, MIG welding, argon, etc etc. Bese beba nendawo lapho khona abatraina abantu for izinto ey'fana nabo what you call it, abo TLB, abo yini lokho okunye, yini lento, aboma-excavator, aboma-forklift, etc etc. Okay, ziningi izinto abay'fundisayo bafethu. Just go onto i-Facebook page yakhona, usebenzise inamba yakhona, bafonele, find out ukuthi yena banayo lento lena ayifuna kuwena, because kuningi, like ngeke ngikubale ngoba ngendlela okuningi ngakhona, ngendlela amakhosi akhona amaningi ngakhona. Uma ngabe udinga indawo yokuhlala while wenza lamakhosi lawa, ngalesikhathi wenza lamakhosi lawa, ngizwe sengathi bakhona into abanayo, i-accommodation kanjena. So inamba yakhona nansi ngifakelile lana, bafoneleni bafethu, find out ukuthi yena ungasizakala kanjani. Alright, otherwise sambe siyozama.